Friends, I would like to say an important topic. Nowadays, in India, children are working in various places and they do not know what to do for their parents if they who have left the body. They, according to our tradition, the parents will have a lot of tough time in the astral bodies, and to get their blessings and to have a better relief for them, some small things to be done. Every year you are supposed to do shraddham. Shraddha means whatever you do with shraddha, that means with respect you do, that is shraddham. You are supposed to offer some food to some Brahmins or to the cow or some animals on the day. Suppose you are not in a position to do all that. You want to delegate it to some religious institutions like Raghavendra Swami Mutt, Subramanya Mutt. There are many mutts, Annapurna mutts in various parts of the countries. There are so many religious mutts whom you can contact, and on that particular date of your father or mother leaving the body, if you tell them, they will be on the same day every year they will be doing annadhanam for you on behalf of you. But there is a hitch. Not your English date is not the proper date to count the date of an anniversary of your mother or father. What we call in our language is tidhi. Tidhi means that is the date. How that tidhi will be decided, you should know. If you say, sir, I do not know English date only, I do not know what is tidhi, all that you are telling, that I would like to brief you on that. It is not your monthly, your January, February, March won't come into picture. The months, Telugu, the months are, they are different. Chaitram, first month, there are 12 months. Chaitram, Vaishakam, Jyeshtam, Ashadam, Shravanam, Bhadrapadam, Aswijam, Kartikam, Margasiram, Pushyam, Magham, Falgunam. What this means? Chaitram comes between March and April. I will show you the chart shortly. Wait. Vaishakam comes between April and May. Jyeshtam comes May and June. Ashadam, June, July, in between. Shravanam, July, August. Bhadrapadam, August, September. Aswijam, September, October. Kartikam, October, November. Margasiram, November, December. Pushyami, December, January. Magham, January, February. Falgunam, February, March. I will show you for your benefit the chart which I have prepared. Hope you will be in a position to see this. Then, after having known the month, what is Tidhi? Every month will have 30 days, 15 days. Every month has got two Pashas, Shukla Pashamu, Krishna Pashamu. Shukla Pasham means the moon will be from after Amavasya. The dark moon is after that. The dark moon, that is what we call new moon. After that, the moon starts growing slowly from here to here, here. Ultimately, in it ends after 15th day. In Shukla Vasham ends with the Paurnami. It is white. In a calendar, if you see any Telugu, any calendar, Hindu calendar, you will see that a bright white line will be kept, indicating that is Paurnami. After that, Krishna Pasham comes into picture. Krishna Pasham, after Paurnami starts, it slowly moon comes down, and ultimately it completely moon is lost. That is known as Amavasya, what we call it. In a Panchangam, you will see a dark line will be kept, dark round thing will be kept as an indication that is Amavasya. A white line is kept in a big way, that is known as Paurnami. So whatever it is, there are 30 days, as I told you, 30 days in a month. These days are divided into Shukla Pasham and Krishna Pasham. Shukla Pasham 15 days, Krishna Pasham 15 days. And these Tidhis are there, 15 Tidhis are there. Padjami, number One is first tithi is known as Padgami, second tithi Dvitiya, third tithi Tritiya, fourth Chaturdhi, fifth Panchami, sixth Shashti, seven Saptami, eighth Ashtami, nine Navami, 10 Dasami, 11 Ekadashi, 12 Dwadasi, 13 Trayodasi, 14 Chaturdasi, 15 either it is Paurnima or Amavasya. I will show you this chart for your ready reference and observation. You can get these things from the Panchangam, but it is only first-hand information I wanted to provide. Immediately you get bored what to see in Panchangam also. If nothing is clear, if it is for the beginners, this will be useful. Now, what you have to say is, if you say your father has left the body in Chaitram, Chaitram comes between March and April. There also, in the Krishna Pasham he has gone, or Shukla Pasham he has gone, you have to keep a track from the Panchangam, you yourself. If you have a difficulty, you can ask any of the Pandits in your area. Suppose you are abroad, you may not get any Pandit also, you can try there also. But this is what I can, if you have, go to the Drik Panchangam in the internet, if you go through, there is a known as Drik Panchangam. For every city they have provided a Panchangam. The dates will be provided. The English dates will be there 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. But in the date, at the suppose January 1st they keep it. And that in between, in the there they give some other 7, 6 like that. That means what is the Tithi from the Indian perspective, they will provide it. Suppose January 1st, 2019, the English calendar is there. But there it is small letters, small 7 is written. That means Saptami. It is Saptami, he wanted to say it is Saptami. Or dark black thing is there. That is Amavasya. So you should know the Tithi, and then you identify the Mat. They particularly South Indians, they believe Raghavendra Swami Mat is there, Subramanya Swami Mat is there, which I was doing. They just collected 2,000 rupees I paid for 10 years back. And every year I tell the Tithi, my mother left in Navami, in Krishna Pashami. Then I will tell him in 2011, and accordingly that particular month and Tithi if I provide, every month, every year, they will be doing Annadanam for taking against my donation. And then they do some Tarpanam on my behalf, and they send me some prasadam, Ashintalu. That means rice particles with haldi, other things, as a token of blessings of my parents to me, to my house address also. This is how you can do it. If you cannot do even this also, if you are lucky enough to find a cow, you can feed it. And this is the anniversary things. First year death is a different issue. That is to be done for 13 days, you have to do properly. And after that, every month you have to do. For first year, you have to do every month. After that, once in a year. And then parents, the children, if they can go to Gaya or what you call Badari ashram, there if you do it, that is still wonderful, wonderful. Then comes particularly Tamil people do a lot. In Mahabharata it is mentioned in the Vedas that every Amavasya day will come once in a month, which you will come to know, as I told you, with a black mark will be there in the calendar. On that day, Amavasya day, you have to, you can do Tarpanam. Tarpanam means you can see from the internet details of what is Tarpanam, you will come to know. Tarpanam is nothing but satisfying. Tarpanam means getting satisfied, Trupti Ponduta. That is not Tarpanam. So it is nothing but you have one copper glass and copper plate and a darbha, they call it. Darbha means a kind of grassy leaf thing. You can get it anywhere in the world also. Is a grass, a dry grass, particularly of this much length will be there. And otherwise from mud, if you are having any mud, you will get that. And then a small thing will be made and it will be kept to tied like this to this particular ring. Second small finger is there next to that particular finger, you keep it folding like that, and then for 3 or 4 things you keep it down, and after taking bath you facing yeast, you have to take some til, black til, what we call it, and take some water. After doing Achamana, that is Kesava Narayana, Kesavaya Swaha, Madhavaya Swaha, Narayana Swaha. Facing east, you take the Achamanam. After that, if you have that thread, you have to, when you are doing Achamanam, thread will be the normal position. If you don't have the thread also, nothing to worry. If you other caste people, you can do the things which I told you. If you are having thread, after doing Achamanam, you turn towards what you call facing Dashana, south, facing south, turning, keeping your legs, bending your leg one side and turning your thread from normal position to the other side, and then take that til in your hand and keep this gross in the particular plate down, and then pour this particular water in that particular one. Pour, before that you think of your sankalpam, you can tell it. This day, that also you will come to know what is sankalpam. Sankalpa means telling which day, which time you are doing it. Asya Brahmana Varaha Kalpe, Sveta Varahe, Vaivasvantara Manvantare, Kali Yuge, Pradhama Pade. If it is India, Merur Dashana Digbhage. If it is America, Gokarna, Hiranyaka Dvipe, Gokarna Khande, like that. And then your town and place, all that you put it. And Pitru, this particular Tidhi, this particular Samvatsaram, that is particularly this year, what I call, this particular year, what I say, this is Prabhavadi Samvatsari. There are 60 years. There are, just like 12 months, there are 60 types of years, 60 years are their names. This particular year, Prabhavadi Samvatsari, the first name, the name of this particular year is Sharvari Samvatsari, Dashanayana. Dashanayana means year is divided into two parts. Dashanayanamu, Uttarayanamu. Uttarayanam starts from January to June, you may call it, and then Dashanayanam from June to January, December end or January tak, like roughly that comes out. So after that Dashanayanam, then Rutu means is it a rainy season or winter season, like that. What we call it Sharad Rutu now. Earlier there was a Varsha Rutu, Grishma Rutu, what we call it. And then Sharad Ritu. Grishma Ritu means summer. Varsha Ritu, you know it, winter time, it's a rainy seasons, like that. Now Sharad Ritu, Asvija Masi, this is month Asvija Masham. And then what is this day today? Today, Krishna Pasham. Let us say what is today. Today is Saptami. Nakshatra you need not have to bother. For this particular purpose, up to the point of the parents' anniversary is decided based on the tithi, not on the star. Keep that in the mind. So if you can do it, all this is okay. If you do not understand any of these things, no problem. At least facing sun, pour some water like this. Pour some water. Pour some water, at least facing the east. Pitru, Asmin Pitaraha, whatever your Gotram, Kaunisa Gotraha, Bhimarad Gopa, your father's name, Gopala Krishnamurti Sharma for Brahmins, for Gupta for Vaishyas, for Kshatriyas Varma, like that. So then tell your name of your father, think of him here and pour water, that's all. And if nothing is available, some animal you try to feed that day. That is also good enough. And read, if possible, if you have got a Bhagavad Gita, Karma Yoga, you have third chapter of Bhagavad Gita. If you can read, it is good. In the third yoga, why they go on telling you to read Karma Yoga is it is mentioned there that Pitru Yajnam, the God will be satisfied by a variety of yajnas. Yajnas means conducting kind of homam kind of things, not necessarily with a fire thing only. If you can do that is wonderful. Even without also doing any kind of act with a pure mind to help the society to please the God, that is also yajnam. So teaching is also yajnam, performing an operation is yajnam, everything is yajnam. And for Pitru yajnam it is mentioned. There are 5 yajnas that were mentioned. Deva Yajna means we are worshipping the God by doing some sloka, Vishnu Sahasranamam, like that, whatever it is. If you cannot do that, is a different issue. Second is Rushi. Rushi means they have taken so much pain to write so many books. Vyasa has written, Agastya has written, so many people. So if you can, Agastya has written Aditya Hridayam. So if you can read these books, the Rishi's runam is over. These are runams. Runam means you have taken debts because they have passed on through the generations so many things. Third comes to your Pitru Yajnam. They have given you the birth to you, and so you have got a duty to do something to your parents. So this Pitru Runam will be done properly if you offer tarpanam or if you offer food to the poor people on the day of the Tidhi, or to pour water to facing the east, and with a request that my father's Punya Loka Phala Prabdham. That means for getting a good Punyam and for a better life in the astral world for my father. So that way you can, lovingly you can send affection. My Guru Paramahamsa Yogananda says, if you send vibrations, oh, looking here, your father, those vibrations definitely, if you do it for even for 21 days also, it will definitely reach your parents. That's what my Paramahamsa, my Guru Paramahamsa Yogananda says. You should believe all these things. What all I said is a pouring water. Is there any money involved? It is only Shraddha. Shraddham is what is known as, Shraddham means the one that is done with Shraddha. But you should believe it. What to the extent that you can do it. This is only for there are books are available on the internet, you will get it. But the problem is, you may have the money, but you do not know on which date you have to. You may be knowing English date of the date of departure of your father or mother, but you do not know the Tidhi. Of course, you may get some pandits nearby, is okay. But you want to do yourself also, and you want to note it properly and do something for your parents. This particular thing you can adopt. You should keep a track of that. When the things happen, that year you can easily look at it. Next year also you have to go to the old Panchangam, try to get it. But you can, once you identify, you can go to the mutt and you can send it by money order. Raghavendra Swami Mutt, I recommend very strongly. They are doing so nicely. With Tidhi they take it. There are other, I will not name, there are other organizations, pilgrimage centers. They say you give donation for Annadanam on a particular date. The date of your father's, you may give it. But I do not recommend. Date is not a proper one to identify. The date of death, you may give it. It's okay. Some punyam you may get it. But the proper way is to offer Annadanam on the Tidhi day. So I was very much worried how the people do not know what the importance of Tidhi. But they do not know what to see, what is their Tidhi. And they are interested to know what is Tidhi and how to see that nobody tells them. So instead of running around the Brahmin, and if you are not getting anything, in that year itself you can go through the Drik Panchangam, D-R-I-K, Drik Panchangam. An app is available in the internet. You can definitely try. I think this is the basic information I have provided to help you. I have drawn a small diagram how that Krishna Pascham and Shukla Pascham will be there. In Krishna Pascham, which starts after Purnami, the moon becomes gradually becoming slowly, every day passes, it becomes thin. Ultimately, it becomes zero, completely dark. And Shukla Pascham starts after Amavasya, or the dark new moon, what we call it. New moon, full moon they call it. New moon is Amavasya, full moon is Paurnami. And after Amavasya, Shukla Pasham starts, and every day the moon goes on increasing, and ultimately it becomes big. So that is the position. I hope a beginning is made by me, which I was thinking of. You can definitely have the opportunity to get better information, but this is for the benefit of those people who are abroad and who have no knowledge of say, approaching a person, and they are interested to know. Then you can definitely see. One last point is that Tithi for parents is decided. A Tithi may come for 2 days also. Same Tithi may be there. The Tithi for parental purposes, Shraddha, the Tithi which has longer day after in the afternoon time, that Tithi has to be taken. Suppose Dasami is the Tithi of your father. Dasami comes a day earlier, and the next day also it comes. But that particular day where the afternoon between 1 to 3 is available, that is the time, Aparannam they call it. That is the time for parents' Tithi has to be decided. A Tithi ends in the early morning, 8 o'clock. That may be Dasami. But that Dasami gets over 8 o'clock itself in the morning. That you will come to know. In the Panchangam, if you see, that they mention the timings. A Panchangam is nothing but 5 Angas. Tithi, Vara, Vara means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra, stars. There are 27 stars. You must be knowing that. Karana Yoga, you forget about the Karanam Yoga, all that. That is, many people do not know, even normal people. They in all Panchangams, these 3 are available. But for your parental purposes, star is not essential. Birthday star is required. For birthday purposes, star is located. For example, the jovially to tell Ramanavami, Krishnastami, Durgastami, even the birthdays of the gods is done based on the Tithi, not on the stars. That is a different issue. Okay. I hope I made a very brief description of what I know about this particular one. Let me see other things in a better way at a later date.